Good evening, sir. I'm Michael Joseph Marion from Pinasquia, Tagtag, Batangas, 21 years old. I heard from Ms. Roraline Banaag that you are looking for assistant secretary. I want to apply on that said position. I'm already graduated at Lipa Public College, taken up the course, the Advanced Education Program for BSCS. I have experience to work in a office last year. I am sure that I am qualified on that said position because I can operate MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and I can repair my own PC. I'm willing to have an interview on your free time. You can reach me from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. 24/7. You can contact me at this number 0919-30-69443. Thank you.